Alright, what's up, guys? Day 26. To be honest, didn't do a whole lot today. Kind of just took a day off. And I don't really want to do that long of a day today either. Just simply because it's already kind of late. So I don't think I'm going to be doing that long one. I'm going to try to do the daily leetcode, see how long that takes me. After stream last night, I did take a while and actually clean up the repo for strands a little bit. So where we're at now is we have a board, node, and solver class, which makes our main just a lot nicer. Like our main, I don't know why I'm pulling this up in GitHub, but our main node just looks like this, which pretty cool. I had to learn a lot of the C++ stuff, so it kind of took forever, and it was like a fish out of water for me. But yeah, what's up, John? I'm not gonna be able to really reach it because I don't have my monitor set up. I'm just doing this laptop on my bed. So let's try to do this. 46% pass rate. Okay. It's gonna be some fucking DP or something. Okay. Alice plays the following game, loosely based on the card game 21. Alice starts with 0 points and draws numbers while she has less than K points. During each draw, she gains an integer number of points randomly from the range 1 to max points, where max points are each draw is independent and the outcomes have equal possibilities. Stop trying to use K or more points. What the fuck? You should watch this playlist back I sent you. Oh yeah, I will. I saw the LinkedIn ones. When I go over the multi-threading stuff, I will. Okay. So I think we're just doing DP from 1 to max points on every turn. Right? So it's going to be 2D DP of one parameter having max points. Or no, max points will always stay the same. Maybe it's DP on points so far. What is this? P-thread, and it's Saturday, go get hammered. Dude, John, I'm not even lying. This was the first day in the past 26 where I'm like, fuck, I don't want to stream. I was just hanging out with my girlfriend all day. It was very nice and relaxing. I was like, fuck, I didn't apply to any jobs and I didn't do leetcode. So I gotta do something. Sorry, I just had to text her. Coming for the first time in a month or two. Dude, you're living the dream, buddy. It's what are we, is it even 2D DP? What's one parameter? Number of points you have right now. Like, it's a number of points you have right now. And then... and then, like... maybe what number of points you drew? Is that important? Might not seen, but I saw you in live. I'm not missing a day in stream. I appreciate that, brother. But yeah, fuck you. Go have fun. What the hell? Don't watch my stream. Go have a night, man. Go have a night. Do I need this what number of points you drew, though? I go right now, brother. I'm getting C++ pilled. Go isn't gonna give me a job. Unfortunately. Actually, I just don't think I need this. I think I need just this, maybe. I think I just need the number of points you have right now. Why do you think that? Because there's just like, I don't think it won't get me a job, but I'm saying like, I'm in the point where it's like I need to kind of just have a project for every type of job I'm applying to. So like if a job lists Go as its priority, I have projects for that. If a job lists Python as its priority, I have projects for that. If a job says like some embedded C++ stuff, I just don't have projects for those. So that's why I kind of want to beef up that area. You know? So what do you want to do though? I don't know what I want to do. I feel like that's the broader issue at hand. Turn the probability that Alice has. What are our like base cases here actually? If K is 1, k is 1 and no, n is greater than k. I forgot you went to New Trier, John. Or you did go to New Trier, right? I met Ben at Northwestern. If k is 0. I think those are our base cases. Is it just n greater than k? Like if n is... Yeah, it's anytime it's... Is it greater than or equal to, though? It might be greater than or equal to. Yeah, someone else. I forget who. There was someone that went to New Trier. Alright, so how are we actually just gonna fucking do this math? Wait, this just totally negates my thought process. N equals 6, k equals 1, max points equals 10. How the fuck is that not 1? What is 10 again? Oh, you always start with 0? Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay. So this has to change. Because you start with 0. So what is this case, though? So if you start with 0 points, like, I'm thinking, like, worst case is what? Like, how do you guarantee you have 10? Or 10, how do you guarantee you always have enough? Because you're looking for n or fewer. So it's like if you pull, like if you assume you max roll. So like k times max points. If n is greater than or equal to k times max points, right? All right, see you, John. Have a good night, buddy. Buddy, what the fuck? I little bro'd you. Okay, so like, how do I reason about this? Because our array, what the fuck am I even storing here, actually? Shut up, Sarky's tomorrow, bro. You're frying me. That's a deep cut, low key. This one just makes no fucking sense to me, I can't lie. I think I'm just like not even understanding what I'm supposed to store. Like this just feels like a DP problem, but I actually just don't have the right intuition as to why. So if n equals 6, k equals 1, max points equals 10, then I think this just might be wrong. Because I was thinking this is like probability of like with k remaining. This problem should honestly be hard. Also, sorry, I have to like tab back and forth to read chat, Ben. Yeah, I just don't fucking get this. Is it 2D DP or 1? Because this makes me think it's 2D. This is 1D? Fuck. Okay, I'm just thinking of it wrong then. What state are we holding in here that allows us to do 1D? What are we reaching back on? And I spent an hour on this and looked at the decision, still spent another 30 minutes. It might be a bad idea for me to try to get this then. Because I've already been streaming for 20 minutes. Just use GPT, bro. No. I don't think I want to get this one, though. Like, my general guess is, like, maybe we're fucking, like... Just what the fuck are we storing in this DP? Just gotta figure that out. The DP problems get so easy as soon as I figure out what I have to be storing. Like, what is DP at I? What is I and what gets stored? Like, do we store the probability at that point? Because, like, if we have some number, max points is essentially like how many pathways we have. So say at some point, so at the ith position, we are storing that value that we have so far divided by the number of pathways. And the number of pathways is always going to be max. What the fuck is my girlfriend texting me? Okay, never mind. It's not important. So, like, say originally... Where are you from? I'm from the States. So, like, okay, fuck. Where was I? So I'm thinking we keep, like, a running total of what we have so far. But how is that not 2D DP? It's fucking 1D? Maybe it's not. What is climbing stairs? Oh, is that a fucking another problem that I just don't know? So it's just like taking them in, though, no? Basically, it's Fibonacci. What the fuck is this? Ben, what do you mean? But how do we know what the Kerr total is? Like, what the fuck does I represent? Oh, what the fuck does I represent? Does I just represent n? Like, does I being n make any sense? Like, because then what if we change this to, like, we go, well, this has to be changed. What is our DP at I? Because if n is 0, does it not represent k, though? Because if n is 0, then what? Then the probability that Alice has n or fewer points. So it just can't represent n. Because if the probability that Alice has 0 or fewer points is 0. So that just doesn't work with my thought process. Fuck me, guys. I have no clue how to do this. I have actually just no clue how to do this. I don't know, I might just look at a fucking solution or something. I'm sorry. I don't want to fucking look at this for forever. Probability that we get points I. In other words, 1 minus dp at I is the probability that we skip the points I. What does skip the points I mean? Have it. Okay. I guess I almost was thinking of that. Let's see if I can get it without looking at the exact solution. So then we need some like So then this is like the current sum divided by max points. And then when can we add points? When do we increase our sum? What is it plus equal? Does that even make sense, actually? Or am I fucking tripping balls? Fuck me, I never know. Because this is the probability. Because it's talking about that pathways we talked about earlier. But at each k point, is that our sum? Yeah, because it's just like increasing probabilities. So, but what's our else case? So when we get past k, we need like what, some result? Because at this point, we're fixed. Which means we've passed k turns. So we just, whatever those probabilities are, we just add them, I think. Right? Okay. What else do we need here? The fuck? We maintain a sliding window. What? What the fuck? Sliding window? Editorial is a graphic, okay. Oh, okay. That actually makes sense. So then it's what? It's if I minus max points is in bounds, then we subtract it from the sum. Something like this. because that's our way of keeping the window. Because we can't do the whole thing, right? Because you're making jumps of up to max points, which is the pathway thing here. Okay. I think like that should be fine. God, fuck, this one was hard. Okay. I mean, I got there. Whatever. All you need is one variable. That's fair. Okay. Thanks for your help, Ben. I appreciate it. I don't love that. I definitely didn't come up with that myself. I just wasn't getting that at all, but we move on. Alright, I'm gonna get off. Appreciate y'all. We'll see you guys tomorrow for some more strand stuff. Gonna make a 2E for it. I said it in the beginning, but I went through last night after stream and made like actual fucking the correct ways of doing C++. Like, I made header files, I made like the things, I actually have stuff, so now we can do board as board, solver as solver, we're given it like a set of solutions, and then solve them and print the solution. I don't kind of forget what state it's in right now. Okay, yeah, I don't have the 2E set up, so I'll do that. But yeah, okay. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow.